Want to know how to extend your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. This simply import any audio of your choice. And now once you have imported your audio, so I have this current audio right here that is around 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So if I want to extend it further, what you need to do is just simply double click to select the entire audio. Hit towards effect right here and then select pitch and tempo. Now make sure you select change pitch and tempo or change tempo, any one of these two. I suggest change speed and tempo. So just simply go ahead and just slide the side as you want. So you can see the new length as well. So the more you go down, the more the length increases. So you can just simply type it out as well. And once you're good to go, you can just simply select apply. And once that is done, your track should be extended. You can also use, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.